feature upgrades between this and the Quadra 7 that was its predecessor.
Yeah, the predecessor, the Quadra 7, that has been in the market for about 5 years. Very top of the line, super high resolution analytical X-ray. We go into this Quadra 7 Pro with a high resolution system, 0.1 microns of resolution.
Wow.
For focal spot. We changed the image chain completely from the X-ray tube to the detector. And of course, newer software, newer graphical user interface.
Yes. Well, you can see from the screen behind us, I mean, the definition is staggering. You know, it's really good.
Yeah, it's a fantastic resolution. Multiple advantages now. Different screens that you can have into the same monitor.
Yeah.
Before, we were not able to have a 2D picture along with a 3D reconstruction in the same one.
Right.
But now, thanks to like higher computer power, bigger monitor, high resolution, we're able to have the complete 3D CT resolution, as well as the live 2D picture on the screen in the same monitor.
Absolutely. Okay.
Yeah.
So, and looking at the machine itself, it takes a relatively big board size, although you do have a bigger version than this if necessary.
Yeah, the standard Quadra 7 Pro takes about 19 by 20 inches sample board, and that's viewable area. You can navigate around the board.
Yeah, that's
in
pretty
that
decent.
size. It's very good.
Yeah.
But then we go into the XL system. We have the Ruby XL with the latest software also, and a 20-watt renewed system, and that goes all the way up to like about 32 inches.
So that would just be for inspecting like backplanes or some of the communication boards or 5G boards, that kind of thing.
Yeah, you just hit it right. I mean, if I think about systems in this region especially, it's a lot of telecom boards, 5G, and big automotive boards, because it also is able to carry a heavy load.
Right. But I mean, at the end of the day, this is a standalone system, which is essentially used more for failure analysis, lab testing, NPI, etc.
Yeah, I mean, the intent of this one, Quadra 7s, are high-resolution failure analysis, analysis lab, for example. But there's many cases where they have one of these ones on each of the production floors.
Right.
Because it's very good for tool for validation. You can create routines, do semi-automatic routines where you save picture, save the serial number in a very quick fashion way.
Yeah, I was going to ask you that. Is the cycle time quicker and faster than
It's still a manual machine where you need to open the door and put a sample.
Yeah.
But after that, it's just the software. It goes very quick to your points.
Right.
And creates repetitions.
Right, excellent. So this is its first outing here in the Americas, and it will be making its debut in Europe in a couple of weeks' time.
Yeah, we'll see each other in Productronica in about a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, and we'll have the Quadra 7 Pro unveiling for Europe at Productronica. We just recently had it in Chicago, in Minnesota at the SMTAI also. Yes,
of course. And then, of course, I think still within your stable, there's going to be something coming out of the Matrix brand as well.
Yeah, at Productronica, you're going to see multiple of these systems for the MXI and the AXI line, automatic X-ray. We're going to see the XS, which is a high-resolution, high-speed automatic X-ray also.
Right.
And the X3, more intended for automotive high-speed inspection also.
Great. Well, you're making great strides, certainly within the test and inspection field. So congratulations, Giancarlo. And
thank you, Trevor.
Thank you for talking to us
Good
today.
to see you in Mexico.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Without reliability, with reliability, a world of difference. Welcome on the journey to better reliability outcomes.